Sleigh bells ring, are you reading? On the shelf, books are waiting. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a book wonderland. Gone away are the textbooks, here to stay are the fun books, where adventures are made. Yeah, we'll save the day, walking in a book wonderland. In a bookstore we will find some dragons, fairies, mermaids, witches, and warlocks too. They'll say, do you want to be a hero? Or are you a villain like us too? Later on, we'll conspire as we read by the fire. We'll face unafraid the plans that we've made, walking in a book wonderland. Walking in a book wonderland. Hey guys, so thought I'd do something fun and different for the holiday Christmas season. And so that was my version of Winter Wonderland. I called it Book Wonderland. And kept some of the lyrics, changed some around, made it book related. So hope you guys enjoyed that. And it is now available on iTunes. Just kidding about that. But today's video, let's see, I'm going to be doing my Christmas Booktubeathon TBR. Yeah, it's kind of a mouthful. So anyway, these are the books that I'm going to be reading for the Christmas Booktubeathon, which, if you don't know about the Christmas Booktubeathon, it's sort of like the Booktubeathon that happened in the summer around July, where it's like, it was a whole week of nonstop reading, like a reading marathon. But this one is a lot shorter, more relaxed. It's only 3 days, the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, starting today, the 19th. And it's going to be the 19th, 20th, and 21st. And it started actually at midnight today. So wherever you were at midnight, that's when Booktubeathon started. So yeah, I'm just going to be really quick showing you guys what books that I'm going to be reading for Booktubeathon. The first one that I'm going to show you, I'm going to start reading it today. And this one is the book that me and my buddy Zoe are going to read for our buddy read, December buddy read. I talked about this in my December book haul, I believe. This is my train of thought. Goodreads group, the YouTube group on Goodreads has like this monthly buddy read where they like randomly pair you up with the buddy and you guys pick a book and you read it together. And so my buddy was Zoe. I will leave her channel linked in the description down below. And we're pretty much reading Hollow City by Ransom Riggs. It's the second book in Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children. So I will be getting started on this one today. And not really sure I'm going to do the challenges for the Christmas Booktubeathon. I'll try to do the read books challenge, but other than that, well, actually, I might do one of the other challenges, but other than that, I don't know, because I'm still not completely set on what I want to read this weekend, but definitely Hollow City is one that I'll be starting today. And then, I'm not sure if I want to read this one this weekend. I want to read it soon. I don't know if I'll be in the mood this weekend necessarily, but we'll see. And that is We Were Liars by E. Lockhart. And this book has been going around BookTube for quite a while since it came out. And I've heard a lot of mixed reviews about it. Some people like it, some don't. I was kind of on the fence about it. Like, should I get it? Should I read it? I don't know. But I decided I was going to give it a try. So I got it, and I'm going to try and read it soon. And yeah, I'll let you know what I think. And then, another book I'll be reading, I'll try to get to during BookTubeathon. This one I haven't read since high school, middle school or high school, can't remember, I think it was high school. But it's a pretty short book. It's called Running Loose by Chris Crutcher. And this is one of my books that I've had since high school. And I don't know, I just felt like reading a book that I haven't read in a long time. So, yeah, I don't remember too much about the story. I know it's about a football player, the main character. It's a football player. So he's got good friends, he's smart, he's got a beautiful girlfriend. Then something happens, something goes wrong, and like everything starts falling apart. And it says, how can Louis keep going when he's lost everything? So, yeah. Don't remember too much else about this book, since I haven't read it since high school. But it's a short read, and yeah, I've been wanting to read something from high school for a while, so this will be it. And then, if there's still time during the BookTubeathon, I want to read Wizards, Wardrobes, and Wookiees by Connie Neal. And this was a book one of my friends got for me for my birthday like a year ago, I believe. And I still haven't read it yet, but I want to soon. And this will fulfill the challenge of read a book someone's given to you, like a gift. So that will fulfill this challenge. And this book, it's pretty much goes through the stories of Harry Potter, Star Wars, and Chronicles of Narnia, and basically goes through and talks about why people are so drawn to stories like this. What can we get out of these stories and these worlds that are created? So, yeah, that's what this one's about. Can't wait to get to that either. But that's pretty much it for my TBR for this weekend for BookTubeathon. So yeah, let me know what you guys are reading down in the comments below. Let me know if you guys have read any of these books and what you thought. Especially We Were Liars. I'm still kind of on the fence, like, am I gonna like it? Am I not? I don't know. But we'll see. Let me know in the comments below if you've read any of them, what you thought, and let me know what you guys are reading. And if you're doing BookTubeathon, let me know that too. And yeah, I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye.